strict with my eating over the past 2 months. I've given myself a whole lot of like leeway and cheat meals, and a little bit of this won't hurt. And I'm at a point where I just want to get back to the beginning, how it was when I first started keto, especially those first 2 months. I was very disciplined, and I did see the majority of my weight loss during those 2 months. So I want to get back to that point of being disciplined and eating right. And so this week, especially after the weekend I have had, I'm not even going to talk about it. But this week, I am making it a mission to get back into keto. I'm going to be eating as keto-friendly as possible. Since I ate so poorly over the weekend, I decided that I would try to fast for most of my morning. My goal is to just make my iced coffee this morning. It's already 11 o'clock. I did pretty good. I usually have my coffee earlier than this. This is my last meal of the day. Yesterday for dinner, I had made crawfish etouffee, and we had that with white rice and garlic bread. Hence the reason why I am jump starting my keto diet again today. I was at first gonna make some cauliflower rice, but I chose to just make some zucchini noodles instead. And what I did to the etouffee sauce is I just like added some cheese and milk to it to make it more creamy. And then I made a keto version of garlic bread with a recipe that I found on YouTube. I will make sure to link that below. And this is my dinner. Yes, baby. Yummy. So today is day 2 of getting back into keto and just sticking to my diet and no cheating and no picking. And I weighed myself this morning, and from the looks of it, I'm already about a pound down. Okay, I'm not gonna say I did not have moments of weakness. That'd be a lie. I had plenty moments of weakness yesterday, but I prevailed. Ooh, 4:28 p.m. I need a snack. I'm gonna make some flavored water, and I'm gonna have me a cheese stick. My last meal of the day, this is just some more of that sausage and crawfish etouffee that I had made. I'm too lazy to make cauliflower rice, so I'm just gonna dip some of this garlic bread, and I'm gonna drink some of this juice. It's 3 grams of carbs per cup. So yeah, that day is day 3. My day started off a little bit later today than usual. So it is about 12:30 right now. I have not ate anything today. I only had some water so far. And I'm getting to work. It's raining, just waiting for the rain to calm down so I can walk in. All I'm gonna do is make my iced coffee. I don't have any snacks packed for today or anything like that, so God help me. But I do have my lunch, which I'll show y'all later when I eat it. I did weigh myself this morning. So apparently, from the looks of it, I am into ketosis, so I'm excited about that. I am a little worried though, because tomorrow is gonna start, my lady days, and I'm afraid of gaining a little bit of that bloating weight, so I might not weigh myself for the next 2 days just because of that. But at least I'm feeling like I'm back into ketosis, so that's exciting. It is 3 p.m. First meal of the day. Atkins beef teriyaki stir fry. It's definitely my favorite, one of my favorite ones. Only 6 net carbs. I usually get an avocado with it, but I forgot to buy one this morning. And I will just be drinking some green tea flavored water. Yay. Okay, it is 5:10 p.m. I just got off of work and I needed a snack. So I picked up some chicken. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that chicken. delicious. It's like grilled chicken. I got this from my local African food market. This is called their suya chicken, and it tastes so good, guys. Oh my gosh. Day 4. Woo woo. Weighed myself this morning, and I'm about, what, 4 pounds down already. I'm kind of in shock. So I'm having a late day today also, and that's one of the downsides of keto, that there's not that many breakfast options out there, like on-the-go breakfast options. There's really not that many. My go-to are the Starbucks egg bites, the bacon and Gruyere ones, but those are almost like $5 a pop. I don't have $5 for breakfast today. I'm at the nearest supermarket to my job because I'm on my way to work. I'm gonna pick up some things before I head into the office, so I make sure that I have something to chew on, something to eat right now, and also something for my lunch. It is 4:19. Second meal of the day is this salad right here, which I have prepared with everything you see here. So even though these are about 4 grams of carbs per teaspoon, I'm gonna deal with it. Salad dressing is also a little bit high in carbs, 3 grams per tablespoon. So I would say that overall my salad probably has about 10 to 12 grams of carbs, but I'm okay with that. 9:40 p.m. Last meal of the day. These are just some beef ribs regular beef ribs. I made them, just fried them on the stovetop, nothing fancy. And some zucchini, and I tried to make like a little Parmesan cheese sauce. All right, guys, so today is day 5. I didn't weigh myself this morning because it is that time of the month. It's that time of the month, and it's like, blah. So I'm not gonna weigh myself until maybe the day after tomorrow. But today's day 5. Today's coffee ingredients. I'm using the heavy whipping cream today. I just wanted to say quickly that these sugar-free flavored syrups, I get mine from Ross, but I know that you can actually order these online, and they are everything, okay? If you're on keto and you like sweet coffee, and you might use these for other things too, but these gotta be part of your pantry. About to have my iced coffee and my cheese snacks with the salami and some of those Parmesan wisps. I'm not gonna eat it right now though. I'm gonna be drinking the coffee. I'm not sure I'm gonna eat that right now. But it's 9:41 right now. So I'm just getting my day started. Thank God it's Friday. Yay. All right, guys, it is 5:30 p.m. and it's been a super duper long day at work today. Well, actually not long, it's just that today's just one of those days where I'm not really feeling like myself. And I didn't even bother to have no lunch today. I'm about to go to the African food store, get that same chicken I had yesterday. Let me show you guys. Just gonna eat some of the chicken. I'm biting. And wash it down with some generic diet soda. Okay, I just want to warn anybody out there who might get excited. If you're doing keto and you run across this cauliflower, it's supposed to be cauliflower pizza. And while, you know, the whole point to get cauliflower pizza is because it's supposed to be low in carbs, but no, people. This, look, pretty much 35 net carbs for half a pie. So if you eat a quarter of a pie, that's about what, 16, 18? But still, that's still pretty high. I'm sorry. I got so excited I was about to buy it and try it out. And then they want to charge pretty much $8 for this. I mean, the way I feel is the only reason I would buy cauliflower pizza is if I'm on a certain diet, but not for $8. Day 6. I'm looking busted right now, so I'm not coming on camera, but I did weigh myself this morning, and I'm gonna put my weight somewhere up here so y'all can see how my progress is going. This is my first meal of the day. I made some crepes that I got the recipe from Keto Connect. Some little bit of eggs because the crepes recipe already comes with eggs, so I didn't want to have too much eggs and stuff, and sausage, bacon. And I made some iced coffee with these ingredients you see right here. This is my first time trying this out. And I put some whipped cream in that too because I'm being extra. But yes, first meal of the day. It is almost 2 o'clock. Okay guys, so I'm finally camera worthy to face you guys. So I just wanted to come on here real quick to say that I did not eat that entire plate of breakfast that I showed you guys earlier. I did not eat all of that. I was just really hungry when I was making my plate. It's about to be 6:30 right now and I'm not even hungry yet. I have had like some water. Papi, say hi. All right, I've had some water and a little bit of juice, but I haven't ate anything or snacked on anything since I had my breakfast. And so yeah, so we'll see. All right y'all, so today is day number 7. So your girl has been really good with eating keto and keeping it keto this whole week. I am so proud of myself. Yesterday for dinner I ended up having a Carl's Jr. California Classic burger, and I had it with the lettuce wrap. And I forgot to film it. We were out and about, and I forgot to show that that's what I had for dinner. And then I had about like two pieces of like turkey wings that my brother-in-law made in this like nice delicious spicy sauce. So that was about it. That's all I ate. I had water, I had a few light beers, and that was about it. So I did weigh myself this morning, and so I'm putting that up here for you guys to see what my final weight for this week is. So not bad at all. That means that I lost about 4 pounds this week by just getting back into my keto diet and eating right. All right, it is 12 o'clock, first meal of the day. I'm having the same crepes that I made yesterday. I filled them up with a little bit of the sugar-free strawberry preserves. It's about 2 net carbs per serving. I put a little bit of this and a little bit of cream cheese on the inside. Since the recipe already calls for cream cheese, I didn't want to put too much more in there, but just like fill them up with that and roll them up. So delicious. And my iced coffee again with these ingredients. And I'm about to go in, y'all. Alright guys, so it is 4:20. I had to run to the store to get a few quick things for dinner, and I'm about to snack on some pork rinds. Pork rinds are one of my favorite snacks because they are 0 carbs.